Oh, wow. I just got to get this one over with. So, in this video, we're going to use financial modeling prep. We're going to get the shares outstanding, and then we're going to define what all that means. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to use Python. We're going to use a financial modeling prep API. We're going to use our API key. We're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to do it all in this video. Very easy. So, I'm going to explain to you. We have this endpoint here for float shares. It's https://financialmodelingprep.com/API v4 shares _ float !? symbol equals Apple's height. That's the input we're going to use for this tutorial. We're going to say, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just going to say I'm saying this. I am. We're going to set our symbol to equal Apple or whatever whatever it could be. We could put this in a get float function that takes symbol, right? Put this over 1, clean this up a hair, and then pass into it something like this. Get float. Right, that would execute the same thing. We'll just leave it like that. That's fine. Our API key, this is a hidden key. I'm looking here. Nope, I don't share it anywhere. Calculate, this is old code. We have our URL. So the URL equals this, what I just told you up here, and then we add into it the symbol and the API. Use this little nifty F thing here, and then we put the string in it, and then we can use these curly braces to open up that string instead of having to concatenate anything. You could do like plus signs and all that stuff, but it's a pain in the butt. This is way cleaner. We create a response because we're using the request library. We pass into it request.get URL and then get the JSON response from that. And then we're going to print out that JSON response using the pretty print library. Just gives us something a little bit more usable. So let's do this. Okay, Apple. Float, free float, outstanding float. We could do MSFT. Okay, we could do CVNA. Right? But what we care about is Apple. Apple, Apple, Apple. Wait a second. That doesn't work. That doesn't make any sense. There, that works. Now it's different. Okay. You guys probably noticed that before I noticed that. Tons of funny little mistakes. And let's go into ChatGPT. Actually, let's click this. Let's see what's in there. Okay. Here's the filing. Alright, but what I want to ask ChatGPT is, tell me what this means in the context of a stock. Quick and dirty, we'll just paste that in. And it's going to say, in context of a stock, float shares refers to the number of shares available for trading by the public, excluding shares held by insiders and major shareholders. Free float refers to the percentage of the float shares that are available for trading on a stock exchange, after accounting for shares that have been held by... Okay, fair enough. So free float's probably what would make a market more thin. Outstanding shares is the total number of shares issued by the company, including shares, blah, 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 and the public. So it's all people with shares outstanding. Fair enough. So that's how you use financial modeling prep to find out free float shares and outstanding shares of a stock. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.